what's going on, and thank you for checking out the video. So if you saw my recent short that I posted to YouTube, you'll know there's some changes coming to the CRF250L. Well, first step in those changes just arrived today, and that is right here. What? Zeta handguards? We already have Zeta handguards, obviously, but these are a different color, so you can already guess where the bike is going. Boom, and just like that, we've got the new Zeta handguards on. Black obviously looks a little bit funky with the white and the red, but you can tell signals still work, obviously. We just had to get them all switched over. It's pretty easy, didn't take too long. I didn't film it, but as you can tell, it's done. But we got something else today, and that is this. Perfectly executed. All right, guys, for context, these are from Bikers Bits, whatever. B-I-K-E-R-Z B-I-T-S, full black plastics. They ship them directly out of Thailand. I ordered these on May 15th. Today is May 26th. So I ordered them on a Sunday. May 15th was a Sunday, I think. Today is Thursday, the 26th, so it took about, like 10 or 11 days for them to get in. Not terrible. And total with shipping, I think these cost like 200 something, 286 or something. So I mean, not terrible for a whole brand new set of plastics. This comes with every single piece, so it's not just like a conversion kit to white or something. I don't know what I'm doing to open this, but yeah, this should be pretty good. Guys, so the camera died, but this is it, all complete. Looks pretty sick. The front fork guards were a pain in the butt because I had to remove the front wheel, and it was just a whole slew of annoying stuff, like bolts just being stuck in place, but good to go now. We got the Zeta black handguards on. Everything is black all around. The toolbox I just removed for now until I can figure out how to put the black door on. But yeah, it looks pretty freaking sick. The only red thing on it now is obviously just that sticker around the gas tank, so I could just remove that. We'll see what I do with it. All right, guys, again, here it is in the light. I'll probably get some actual cinematics of it on the camera, but it looks good. Doesn't look nearly as good in the garage, but in the light, it looks nice. Black fork guards definitely bring it together too. I just think this would look so good as a Sumo too, so we'll see. There's a possum. Oh. Guys, putting down his convertible top. All right, back to our fun little spot. First wheelie of the day. You guys will have to let me know what you think of this new cockpit attire. The new black instead of the red and white that we were used to before. I think it looks freaking sick though. Ah! A little sideways there. Leaning a little bit far right. Not sure why. I had to lean so far left to compensate. I don't know why I'm going so far right. You can see me like sticking my leg out to the left. Maybe I need to check my wheel alignment. Little cyclist, good day for a ride. Nice ass weather. Honestly, this little hill here is becoming too short for me to wheelie. Like the hill is light work now. Wow, I jinxed myself on that. Haven't ridden over here in a bit. Make sure that plate is still on. That plate is so bent, oh my gosh. Oh well. Oh, guys, I have like a little Cardo on the side of my helmet, and the way you change the music is you like spin a little wheel. So every time I like turn my head and it hits my jacket, it spins the wheel. It's kind of fucking annoying. So it just starts blasting music. Oh, this is overgrown now. Oh no, this was a bad choice. Not today. It's so overgrown now. A little sketchy. Don't mind me, guys. Hit another bridge wheelie the other way? I think so. Almost the whole thing, except not really. I gotta slow it down. Per usual, got to slow it down. I hope I installed my front wheel correctly! This freaking license plate is literally about to break off. I need to go get a new one, preferably this week. The turn. Oh, every time I say something I just jinx myself. Well guys, just wanted to give you another walk around in the light. Sheesh, she looks good. I think we're probably gonna have to get rid of that red because it'll just look way better all black, but black looks freaking so good. Yeah, I'm glad I got the Zeta handguards in black now. Just looks so good, especially with the smoked ones. It blends right in until you use the actual signals, then they're super bright. We've got the little red shifter. But yeah, I mean, I don't really think I like that red enough to keep it, but it looks awesome. This license plate is freaking, like, you can see it's just broken off here. Taped it up. Hopefully it doesn't fall off by the time we get home, but we'll see. A little hole there. Woo. Cops up here. See how they like my my electrical tape license plate. It technically isn't even for this bike. This is my brother's plate. Damn, I wonder if there's an accident or something. Well guys, I really hope that dude is okay. Say a prayer for him. Seriously hoping he's doing okay. Just a reminder guys, life is precious. Who the fuck is beeping at me? Fuck you. Life is precious. Wear your freaking gear. Seriously. That guy looked like he was all geared up. So, hopefully he's doing a lot better than he would have been otherwise. Don't want to end this video on a bad note. So, let's just end it with a quick little wheelie. Oh, a little neutral bomb. Like, comment, subscribe. As always, peace.
Dior, Gucci, Roy, Tusi. She's a movie but means nothing to me. A-list.